Hi students, let us go to the next topic. How big is that force? The same chapter, forces and movement. We are learning this from your learner's book, page number 62 and 63. After hearing this class, you have to read that book also. There are different sizes of force. As you know, some forces are big and some are small. See here the picture. A big force and a small force here. Here, look at the picture. Omar pulls his toys with elastic. He is pulling with more force on some other toys. See the picture? This picture is from your textbook. Now see, this girl is using a small force to pull on the empty sleds. So see, it is empty. So she can use a very small force. Here see, it takes a bigger force to pull the vehicle. And this is volcano has so much force it can blast. So some forces are small and some forces are big. Okay, now try to push your book, try to push a pencil, try to push your table, try to push your chair, push different things. You can find out the difference between small force and bigger forces. When you push a pencil, are you using a big force or a small force? Is the same force you need to push a table? Okay, I think now you understand. Try to push all these things. To move small things, we need a small force like pencil, rubber. Okay, all sorts of large things can be moved with large force. See the picture. A large force is applied. Now, this is the question from your textbook, page number 63. Put the following forces in order from the biggest force to smallest. 4 forces are given. See, a horse pulling a cart, a girl lifting a book, a train pulling wagons, a bird picking up a leaf. You have to arrange them in order. You have to write the biggest force first. So which is the biggest force here? See, a horse pulling a cart, or a girl lifting a book, or a train pulling wagons, a bird picking up a leaf. Here a train pulling wagon is the biggest force. So you have to write this as first. Then continue. Okay, arrange the forces in order. Write this in your notebook. Okay, dears. Now, force meters. You ever seen this type of things? This is known as a force meter. A force meter is an instrument that measures the size of force. See, there is reading. See, you can see that. We can keep things here. According to the mass, according to the force, it comes down. See here. See, it is the weight here. We are keeping some things here. Here it is the spring and here the readings. This is known as force meter. Okay, force meter is an instrument. It is a tool that measures the size of force. How big it is, how small it is. We are measuring by using force meter. Then, the unit of force. What is meant by unit? As you know, the unit of length. Centimeter, meter, you have learned in maths, yes? Okay. The same way, unit of capacity like liter, milliliter. Unit of time like seconds, minutes. The same way, unit of force is Newton. See here, Newton. It is writing in red letter, you can see, no? Or we use just N. Okay. The Newton, the unit of force, is named after the famous scientist Isaac Newton. You know who was he? Who did a lot of work on force. So Isaac Newton, see that this name is given to the unit of force. You can see here, see the mass of this apple is here 1 Newton. See, yes, this is okay.